Hello geometry students. Today's learning target is to find the missing side in a right triangle when we have sides that are in radical form. So we learned the Pythagorean Theorem, which says a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. Some people say leg squared plus leg squared is equal to hypotenuse squared. So we look at problem number 1. The value of x is the hypotenuse because it is across from the 90-degree angle. So I'll say 5 square root of 41 squared plus 24 squared is equal to x squared. And now I'm going to show you how to type in 5 square root of 41 squared on your calculator. First on the TI, parenthesis, 5 square root 41, press the arrow key to get out of the radical. Close the parenthesis and press squared. Hit enter, so 1025. On the Desmos calculator, I'll press parenthesis 5 square root 41. I'll use the arrow key to get out of the radical, close the parenthesis, and press square. And notice I get 1025. So this is 1025 plus 576. That's equal to x squared. Adding those two numbers, you get 1601 is equal to x squared. X is equal to the square root of 1601. There are no perfect squares in 1601, so that is approximately 40.01. Let's take a look at example number 2. Again, leg squared plus leg squared is equal to hypotenuse squared. This time, the hypotenuse is the square root of 31. So I'll say x squared plus parenthesis 2 square root of 5 squared is equal to the square root of 31 squared. X squared plus, and I'm going to use my calculator and type in 2 square root of 5 squared. So 2, put the parentheses, 2 square root of 5, get out of the radical, parentheses squared, that's 20, is equal to, parenthesis, square root of 31, move out of the radical, parenthesis squared is 31. Basically, the square root and the radical undo each other. I'll subtract 20 from both sides. So x squared is equal to 11. So x is equal to the square root 11. And getting the decimal on my calculator, I get approximately 3.31.